Welcome to your piano lesson. If you're here for the first time, I am Gianluca Fronda. If you want to discover interesting facts about me, you can watch an introduction video of the channel. I'm leaving the link in the description below. If you like the content of my channel, don't forget to subscribe. I'm aiming to publish 2 weekly tutorials. Now let's dive into the lesson. Today we can carry on with the arpeggios, and it is time for the D flat major arpeggio or C sharp major arpeggio. If you have watched all the previous videos, you should know that I've already explained and shown how to play the C major arpeggio, the G major, the D major, the A major, the E major. Then I moved a little bit towards the other side of the circle of fifths, explaining the F major, then I explained the B major, then I've explained also the F sharp major in the last tutorial, published last Saturday, and today is time indeed for the D flat major equal C sharp major arpeggio. Is the last arpeggio featuring sharps in the key signature, if we are considering it like C sharp major, or if considered like D flat major arpeggio, we are referring to the key signature featuring 5 flats. The fingering is not referring anymore to the standard that we know, the one of 1, 2, 3 on the right side, and 5, 4 or 3, 2 and then 1. Because we are now facing something that is quite new. The color of the keys that we need to play the D flat major equal C sharp major arpeggio are black, white, black. Now talking about D flat, we will have to play the D flat, the F and the A flat. If we call C sharp major arpeggio, we play the C sharp, the E sharp and then the G sharp. But let's dive into the lesson. Indeed, let's start from the notes of the scale. So the D flat major scale is D flat, F, G flat, A flat, B flat, the C and the D flat. If we want to refer to the C sharp, they are C sharp, D sharp, E sharp, F sharp, G sharp, A sharp, B sharp and C sharp. And as you know, we need the first, the third and the fifth note of the scale, that are these and these. Obviously, it's not that pleasant and easy if we want to play the arpeggio in this way. It's possible, anything is possible, but the tradition is the one of using 2 at the beginning, and we will discover now which one is the real finger belonging into the D flat, then 1 for the thumb, and this is the most important point of the arpeggio, 2 official finger for this, and 4th. As you can see, the second that we use at the beginning here is simply in substitution of the 4th to make it easy, because otherwise we should start in this way. And in this way the 4th would be the official finger. On the other side, we are going to do the same thing, I could say, in terms of finger used for the white key, the thumb, also in this case. And this time I can admit and confirm that the second finger that we have on the D flat is the official finger, because the fingers will be 2 here, 1, then 4 and 2. And let's start as usual from 1 octave right hand. Let's go to left hand, 1 octave left hand. Now 2 octaves right hand. 2 octaves left hand. Let's do now 1 octave hands together to prepare. Obviously, for none of the exams you will have to play 1 octave hands together this scale, but there's obviously, probably it's better that you start from 1 octave. And now the minimum length, that is indeed 2 octaves. Let's talk now about the exercises that I'm suggesting you, the workout that I suggest every single time to improve the arpeggio. This time doesn't make any sense, I think, this is my opinion, to start from the first note, because we start immediately with the thumb passage. Let's maybe do in this way this time. We regain the relaxed position. The relaxed position of the right hand is exactly this one, the one of the first inversion, with the F played by the thumb, second playing the A flat and D flat. And we prepare the thumb passage as we have always done until now. It means that we will have to do exactly this the very first time. So exercise number 1. So you prepare the thumb passage, thumb on the F, starting from F. You do F, A flat, D flat, and prepare. Exercise number 2 will be the one of playing now the F, but getting ready to play the other one. The third and very last one will be the one of playing the A flat note straight after the thumb passage. On the other side, the exercise that will make sense will be the one of starting from the second inversion, because indeed this is the relaxed position. Now I place the hand here, it is much better for showing this exercise. So the very first time you start from A flat, D flat, F, you pause, but you prepare the the crossing over the thumb. Let's do it again. So you do tum-tum-tum and you prepare the action. The second exercise will be the one of pausing on the notes right after the crossing over the thumb. Getting ready in position for the other one. And now the very last one, the third and very last one, will be the one of playing this note. In this way the crossing over the thumb will be empowered. I hope you have enjoyed the tutorial, that you've understood everything. If you have any questions, feel free to comment as usual. If it's the first time you're landing on my channel thanks to this video, don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one. All the best.